How do you feel about the future of social science in Australia? Are we ahead? Are we behind? Are we ready? We are the Academy of the Social Sciences in Australia, and with a group of experts, we're looking into the health and performance of the social science sector. From how it's taught in schools, to the money and infrastructure supporting university research, to what social science graduates bring into workplaces and the Australian economy. The past 2 decades have seen the world change dramatically. Technological advances, climate change, and then COVID. It is critical that we now take stock of our strengths and weaknesses and draw a path to even better social science in the 2020s. There's tons of data about education and jobs, but we need to hear your story. What's standing in your way to a fulfilling career as a social science researcher or graduate? How did COVID impact you and your organization? What should social science disciplines look like by 2030? And how can the social sciences create better futures for Australia? We'll be collecting responses until the 5th of March, then publish our findings as a free, widely available resource. Sharing your views is easy. You can use our online survey, which takes 5 to 10 minutes and prompts you to tell your story through short answers to relatable questions. We'll also be hosting a series of virtual roundtables to discuss key issues live with other social science stakeholders from around Australia. Or you can choose to send a formal submission to our mailbox. Follow the link in the description for details. Australia needs excellent social science. We look forward to imagining a prosperous future with you.